Hey, this is Basit. I'm a front-end developer specializing in conversion-focused landing pages for SaaS and tech products. If your landing pages is getting traffic but not converting, that's not a design problem, that's a strategy problem. I build pages that look good, also convert, that turn visitors into sign-up leads and paying customers using proven layout psychology, persuasive copy structure, and clean and fast code. So I use React, Tailwind, and Framer primarily and work with pixel perfect from Figma designs to build from scratch when needed. Here's what working with me looks like. You get a landing page that loads fast, looks sharp on every device, is built around one goal, getting your visitors into action. Whether you're launching a new product, rebuilding a page that isn't converting, or need a clean MVP landing page fast, that's what I come in. Check out my portfolio, my profiles, drop me a message, and we can talk about it. What page you need to perform. Thank you.